Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send ton from Binance to Telegram wallet. So first, you just have to open your Binance application, go to Spot, go to Balances, and then look for ton. If you can see it right here, then tap the search icon and then type ton. And if you see, then all you have to do is to click that one. You have to make sure too that you have enough balance here on your time. So once you tap this, then you need to scroll down and then look for withdrawal. Withdrawal is beside deposit, so all you have to do is to click this one. Now you have two options for withdrawal. You can send via crypto network, and the second one is send via email, phone, or ID. So for this tutorial, we're going to click the very first one here, which is send via crypto network. Here, they will ask for the address, which we're going to copy later from our Telegram wallet. And then for network, if you tap this arrow facing down, then all you have to do is to look for time because we'll be using time. Withdrawal amount, you have to enter the specific amount that you want to withdraw. Once done, and then click withdraw at the bottom right corner. Now here, what you're going to do next is you have to exit Binance and go to your Telegram, open your wallet. You can swipe it up to see the full page of your Telegram. And then here, what you're going to do next is you have to look for ton space. So make sure that you have created or you have your ton space here on your Telegram wallet. Click ton space beta, tap this one, and then you have to click ton. Now copy this address. So receive ton network assets. You have to copy this address here. And then this time, you can now exit your Telegram wallet and go back to your Binance application. Once you open your Binance, you can paste that address here that you have copied from your Telegram wallet. For network, again, you have to click this arrow facing down and look for time. Now enter the amount here. And then for memo, it's not really necessary because there's no memo here. So if you tap withdrawal and you see this notification or message, you did not match memo, something like that. So all you have to do is to disregard this and then click submit. Then you will see this confirm order. You can now review your network, which is Toncoin, the address, the amount. And then once everything is okay, then all you have to do is to click this confirm button right here. Now it will ask for authenticator application verification. So you need to paste it here and then after that, click submit. And as you can see, here it is, withdrawal processing for this specific time. And then you can tap this view history. Now under views history, if you see this completed, and then you can now go back to your Telegram and confirm the amount of ton that you have received. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.